So, want to know the one exercise that can transform your entire body? It's not fancy machines or expensive equipment, it's squats. Just squats. Today, I'm giving you 12 reasons why you should start doing squats every day and what happens to your body when you do. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be dropping to the floor to crank out your first set. Let's go. Before we dive in, let's talk about why squats are so powerful. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. They're not just for your legs. They engage your core, back, and even your upper body. But what happens when you do them every single day? Let's break it down, point by point. Reason 1, builds lower body strength. Squats target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Whether you're lifting weights or just using your body weight, squats are the ultimate lower body workout. Pro tip, focus on proper form. Keep your chest up, back straight, and go all the way down. Quality over quantity always. Reason 2, boosts metabolism. Squats are a powerhouse for burning calories. They increase your muscle mass, which in turn boosts your resting metabolic rate. Translation: you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Reason 3, improves core strength. Squats aren't just a leg exercise, they're a core workout too. Every time you lower yourself down, your core has to work overtime to keep your body stable. This means better posture, less back pain, and a stronger midsection. Reason 4, enhances mobility and flexibility. Squats improve the range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles. This is especially important as you age, helping you stay active and injury-free. Reason 5, burns fat. Squats are a high-intensity exercise that torches calories and fat. Combine them with a healthy diet and you'll see results faster than you think. Reason 6, strengthens your back. Proper squat form engages your lower back muscles, helping to build strength and prevent injuries. Reason 7, improves balance and coordination. Squats challenge your stability, which improves your overall balance and coordination. This is especially helpful for athletes and older adults. Reason 8, boosts athletic performance. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, or basketball player, squats improve your power, speed, and endurance. Reason 9, supports bone health. Weight-bearing exercises like squats increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age. Reason 10, enhances circulation. Squats get your blood pumping, improving cardiovascular health and delivering more oxygen to your muscles. Reason 11, saves time. Squats are a full-body workout that you can do anywhere, anytime. No gym? No problem. Just drop and give me 50. Reason 12, boosts confidence. There's nothing more empowering than feeling strong and capable. Squats build physical and mental strength, helping you tackle anything life throws your way. Now that you know the 12 reasons to start squatting every day, it's time to take action. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, squats are for everyone. Start with bodyweight squats and gradually add weights as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is key. All right, it's your turn. Drop down right now and try 50 squats. Let me know in the comments if you're taking on this challenge. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little fitness motivation. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up every day. See you in the next video.